Okay, so dear teachers and to all who are asking for action plan for mathematics, so ito na po yun. Kasi sa ating nakaraang video, may nag-request sa atin ng action plan for math. Because if you all know, may mga videos na tayo dyan sa ating channel, action plan for for science, for school property custodian, for research coordinator, and for sports coordinator. So ngayon naman po ay for mathematics coordinator. So ito po ay ginagawa natin at the very beginning of our school year o kaya as needed, and this is submitted to our principal. Ito din po na action plan ay ang ating mga target na dapat nating ma-achieve at the end of this school year. So ito po ay applicable sa kahit ano pong school year or any level po, as long as ikaw yung math coordinator. And since malapit na naman ang ating IPCRF presentation, so ito din po ay pwede nating gamitin. So that's all po. If you want to download, ito po ay free. Just check the description of our video. So click niyo yung title, then makikita niyo po dyan yung description and my link. But to all po, don't forget, ito po ay may password. So ang password po ay ipinapakita natin sa video ito. Bantayan lang po ng mabuti at kunin, at yun ang ating ilalagay sa ating link. So that's all po. So thank you for watching and